I notice the most successful, most creative entrepreneurs have a formula, and it consists of the statement that 50% of your creative partnership is actually the marketplace of check writers who are going to actually write a check for what you're actually creating. And therefore, when you get a new idea, of some new product, some new service that you're offering to the marketplace, your first goal would be to just sketch out the idea as fast as possible, and then go and actually talk with someone who could be a potential check writer for the new thing that you're actually creating, and say, this is a new product, new service that I'm creating, and I just wonder if this really would appeal to you if this was in the form of a product or service. And you'll get absolutely accurate market information for someone who could be a check writer. In other words, you say to them, if this was in a more developed form, would you actually write a check for it? And they'll tell you, I might if you would do this and this and this and this, but I won't right now because this doesn't work, this doesn't work, this doesn't work. And this is the most incredible market research that you can possibly do, and you can do it very fast at the very, very beginning of a new idea project. Here's what I notice for the entrepreneurs who are not successful at all. They do just the opposite. They have an idea and they protect their idea, and the last person who's ever going to find out about this idea is actually someone who could actually buy it. They talk to their wife about it, they talk to their family members, they talk to old school buddies, they talk to the people they drink with, including the bartender at the local club or at the bar. They talk to everybody about their new idea, usually getting very confusing, very negative feedback for it, or totally outrageous, completely unrealistic response to it. But never once do they get actually the information that they need most for a new product to actually take hold and actually grow, and that is from someone who would actually write a check for it. So I have a rule in Strategic Coach is test only on check writers, okay? And that is nobody else's opinion about your new idea matters in the least amount except people who would actually buy it. So as soon as you can, make them 50% of your creative process. So if this interests you and it triggers further questions that you have, then just write it down in the comment section and we'll be back to you.